Reinforcement. Introduction. General terms. It is the least distance between the surface of reinforcement and the outer surface of the concrete. It protects reinforcement from environment effect. Covers. Provides thermal insulation, also offers resistance against fire. Following are the specifications provided for different structural members. RCC slab, 15 mm or diameter of reinforcement whichever is greater. RCC beam, 25 mm or diameter of reinforcement whichever is greater. RCC column, 40 mm. Lintel, chador or canopy, 15 mm. Footing of columns or walls, 50 mm or 75 mm. Second is chairs. It's a small metal or plastic support for reinforcement and that maintains proper positioning during concrete placement. The maximum spacing of the chair is 1 meter and less as per requirements. Third is spacers. Used to maintains reinforcement in proper position and maintains distance between the vertical reinforcement in wall before and during concreting. Following are the technical terms. 1. Yield stress. It is the material property at which the material begins to deform plastically, whereas yield point is the point where nonlinear deformation begins. 2. Ultimate tensile stress. It is the maximum stress that the material can withstand while being stretched or pulled before breaking. 3. Fracture. Breaking point. It is the point at which material breaks due to progressively increasing tensile force. 4. Work hardening, strain hardening / cold working. It is the strengthening of a metal by plastic deformation. 5. Necking. Its mode of tensile deformation where relatively large amounts of strain localize disproportionately in a small region of the material. Technical terms used. First, lap length. It is minimum length required to transfer stress from one bar to another. Second is development length. It is a minimum embedment length to anchor the reinforcement to concrete. Third is bar spacing. It is distance between different reinforcement pieces. Following are the general information of reinforcement. Reinforcement is in the form of carbon steel bars or wires. Generally mild steel grade 2 is commonly used in construction. Concrete tensile strength is equal to 5 to 7% of its compressive strength and steel resist the tension. Steel has a thermal expansion coefficient nearly equal to that of concrete. Its density is 7.85 grams per centimeter cube or 7,850 kilograms per meter cube. Steel surfaces may be deformed for a better bonding with the concrete. Minimum yield strength equals 500 Newton per square millimeter. Minimum tensile strength should be 10% more than yield strength subject to minimum 560 Newton per square millimeter. Stress ratio equals 1.10, generally 1.15 to 1.25. Couple of bars. It is used in different ways like it is used to join two rebars without lapping. It is cost-saving in larger diameter bars. It helps to maintain proper cover. It avoids concrete honeycombing. And also it increase overall bar fixing work speed. The given figure indicates the composition of bars. 99.5% maximum iron. 0.320% carbon. 0.065% phosphorus. 0.065% sulfur.